Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play Warzone Mobile on PC emulator. Only ways. Launch your emulator and use the installer to add the APK, then grant permissions and enable virtualization support in your BIOS. Next, adjust CPU and RAM to recommended levels and choose high-performance graphics mode. Finally, sign into your account and test controls in a training match before jumping into live games. Map touch zones to keyboard keys and mouse clicks, then test each binding in a practice lobby for natural movement. Start with common keys for movement and weapon swaps, and assign aim and fire to separate buttons for better control. Fine-tune sensitivity and dead zones until aiming feels consistent, then save the profile. Repeat for different weapon types so you can swap control setups instantly when needed during matches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use between sessions. They keep food tidy and save time when you need quick refuels. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a performance profile in your emulator that enables hardware acceleration and prioritizes GPU usage for smoother frames. Reduce shadows, disable motion blur, and set texture quality to balanced to limit stutters without losing clarity. Keep resolution reasonable to maintain high FPS and cap the frame rate if needed to stabilize input response. Close browsers and background apps to free memory, and restart the emulator before competitive matches to ensure peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.